What's up, YouTube? Ultimate Driving Machines here today with another video. It is Bryce going to Germans.
What's up?
What's up, YouTube? Ultimate Driving Machines here. Bryce and German.
Stuff to do. Got a mad vacuum leak I've been trying to fix for probably past 2 months. Well, not trying to fix, but I know I needed to fix for the past 2 months. The throttle body, I think it's leaking a little bit from there in the gasket. So I'm gonna try to get that tightened up, working, not chopping anymore.
We're gonna take the hood off. I got a new carbon fiber hood and I wanted to heat wrap the underside of it so it just prevents it from fading and stuff like that. And I got some adhesive to restick my tire letters that I ripped off. I fucking hit a curb and ripped the tire letters off. So
It's only one.
yeah, it's no big deal. How do you fix this vacuum leak?
We gotta get those 2 screws out that are stripped. Which is an issue, because they're stripped.
Well, fuck.
Yeah, I have a few Allens and a few Torx bits, but you need like a T30, T35, and the strip. I have one singular flathead screwdriver in this whole house, and I don't know where it is.
I have a flathead at my house. Where's that 12? It was right over here. Right here. Right? Or was it that?
That's 13. That may be a 12.
I had it in my hand and I set it down somewhere.
I tend to lose a lot of stuff here.
Well, I put the 12 on it and it fit, so I was like, okay, bet. I got a 12.
Just half.
Where did oh, is this it? Oh, yeah, it's right here. I don't know why I set it right there.
You good? Let's get this hood off though.
We got the Sabin carbon fiber tracer hood. Picked it up probably a week ago.
No fake shit.
But anyway.
I only use my eBay performance parts.
You already know. OEM eBay. A follower hit me up probably like a month ago saying that Sabin sent him an extra hood. Like they sent him 2 for the price of 1. And so he hit me up and was like, hey bro,
That's quad.
I'll sell you this hood for half the price if you come pick it up. He lived like an hour and a half away, so I went and picked it up. And now we're here. And you guys will get to see what it looks like actually on the car at the end of the video, unless you follow me on Instagram.
I'm trying to find something to like lay that on so it doesn't sit on my scoop like that.
I don't think it's too big of a deal, right?
I mean, it is carbon fiber.
But the thing is, it's not even touching these back shoes. So we put it on, so put the shoes on paint cans, and now the scoop.
Hey, y'all, hit me up in the comments if y'all want to buy paint. We got more than enough paint over there. We got some over there, so like, let me know. Selling paint.
We got paint for days. Need to make some extra money. We got an unhealthy addiction for cars.
I got broken BMX forks for sale. I have E46 headers. I got sway bars. Hit me up. That's so cool.
We will plug the Instagram somewhere.
Yeah. We're like about 4.
All right. We both do the editing of the videos, so we'll have to finagle something in there. With our skills, our expertise with editing. All right. Well, fucking A, dude. Where should I set the camera up? Ooh, actually, a lot of people ask me or wonder like, how durable are these treadwear tire letters? I can honestly say this is my 2nd set of tire letters from them, and they do a damn good job. I've had these only probably a week or 2 on the car.
Yeah,
but I curbed the fuck out of them.
And these we stuck on by hand. These were on with a template. And these we really got down. They're still on there.
Yeah.
If you look at like the other tires, like the other tire letters, yeah,
Like these,
they're
solid.
new.
Still
but
there.
I curbed it and it ripped the white off. So I'll have
Which
to deal
is
with
to
that.
be
But,
expected. So
Yeah.
don't say anything against that.
yeah, but pretty much, if that happens to you, if you have your own set of tire letters, I have people coming to me and asking, DMing me on Instagram, kind of wondering like, dude, like, so do they just last? And I'm like, obviously, if you drive your car hard enough, like things will fall off,
Yeah.
especially your tire letters. So if that happens, all you do, they give you this adhesive. We may actually have to break the tip because.
I got some cutters.
Oh, with you? On you?
Dude, right here. Chop, chop, chop.
So yeah, it just kind of oozes out. But once the letters are on, and if they get ripped off like this, it's super easy. You just put a layer right there, like a thin layer. Don't overdo it. But yeah, so you just stick it on. And if you overdo it, it'll seep out and get on your fingers when you're pushing it like that. I kind of put a
Yeah,
little
but-
too much on.
I would almost recommend pushing it out like that so the whole surface gets
Yeah.
glue on it.
And then you just kind of like rub it like that again.
Once the glue is dried, you can always go in afterwards once it's dry with a razor or like a razor blade and just cut out whatever you don't want.
Yeah. Here at Ultimate Driving Machines, we drive our cars, so nothing's perfect.
Dude, the name's Program.
The name's Program. How what you just said?
Yeah, it's a saying in German, but it sounds kind of stupid in English.
What does it mean?
Name ist Programm. It just,
Oh.
name is Program. Ultimate Driving Machines, we drive our cars ultimately hard.
So it's fucking reprogrammed the name. Hence,
Yeah,
we
kind
are
of.
Ultimate Driving Machines.
You want me to get a red Sharpie and fill that in a little bit?
Right, yeah, let's get some white, like some white out. Some red Sharpies and just fill it in. We might come back later and re-stick them.
Dude, did you tell them about your promo code yet?
So what I have to offer is a free shipping promo code, which actually saves you probably 20-30 bucks on shipping depending
Yeah.
on where you live. And the code is Slow Wagon,
Slow wagon, right here.
spelled the exact same way that is spelled.
We'll have a link to their website, Treadwear, in the description down below, and we'll even have the slow wagon, just in case you didn't get that.
Huge thanks.
Dude, this is your second set now, and
Yeah,
you're...
this is the second set now, and is normally like 160, 170 bucks. That's with shipping included. And I hit them up and talked to them for a couple weeks, and have been shouting them out on Instagram with the first set I had, showing them just kind of what I can provide them. They offered me the 50% off, and I was like, holy shit, 80 bucks for a full set of tire letters?
Dude, and they look
And-
sick.
Yeah, and I was just buying I just bought a new set of tires too. I just put Michelin AS3s on.
Dude, I'll show you the full side. This side profile real quick. Looks sweet. Brand new tires, brand new letters. As you can tell, once you put them on nude, they're still pearly white, looking as fresh as ever.
Bada bing, bada boom. All right, so those are restuck. Treadwear, thank you for your great adhesive. Now we got the eBay. Actually, I think this is Amazon. No, it's eBay for sure.
It's cool. I get Amazon shit too. Amazon Prime, 1 day shipping for free. Can't beat it.
I think that's what I did because it's the heat wrap. So I think I Amazon primed this heat wrap here because I just wanted to save the carbon fiber while I can as much as possible. I need a ceramic coat the top of it. That'd probably be the best thing.
That's not rock chips, yeah. Like bubbling up, the heat wrap's probably the best. Just because all the heat getting on. It's still cake back, I guess.
But anyway, yeah, we're just gonna run this silver heat wrap over it. We didn't get reflective gold because a couple reasons that.
Not too rise. No, not trying to.
Yeah, we're not trying to be like too flashy, and I have read a couple things that the reflective silver actually. I think I heard it. I thought it was your shoes moving though. A little horse creeper.
Plus, dude, the silver's gonna match with this.
Yeah, and I have no gold in my engine bay. My blow off valve is gold or silver. So I think it'll look good. I've heard also that the silver heat wrap helps cooling better than gold, but that also could be bull.
Oh yeah, quick update. I'm not gonna take the actual out of control valve off because these things are freaking stripped, like both of them. So I'm just gonna get in there with a small 10 mil, get the starter body tightened up. Hopefully that's a vacuum leak, and then throw it back together. Well, he gets his hood protected.
Yep. However, German, do you have a lighter? I kind of want to test this.
I think the red one's better. Because you know, red fire.
It makes sense.
Yeah, I think the red
Yeah,
one's better.
yeah, the red one's better. I just want to see if these strings will catch on fire.
Strings? No, look, hold like that. You need to wipe that off.
It did its job, didn't it? Here, hold that, hold that. Real quick. Yeah, let's take it.
Just. Alright. Nada.
From that test,
We know it's heat proof.
it is heat proof.
Not flame proof, but heat proof.
So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this and do that. I'll set the camera up. We'll fucking be back in a second, boys.
Yeah, man, for sure.
I need to trim this and do a couple more.
Yeah, you got the front done. This is for the turbo. I have this thing all back together. So I'm gonna start it up real quick, see if the the vacuum leak's gone.
Yeah. Huh? It sounds like it's sucking pretty hard.
Yeah, well, I don't have the cone on right now.
Oh man. Oh. Is that all right? Well, this is all the heat wrap we had, so we did the best we could.
Yeah, got the radiator up front, everything covered up around the intercooler and the turbo right there. Yeah, dude, we can literally move some
We're adding some serious weight to this thing now, man.
We got all this tape, bro.
Literally the amount of tape you have on there probably weighs as much of it.
Dude, it looks sweet. I think it should help a little.
Got a full-blown race wagon here.
Thanks, bro.
Got the OEM Subaru roof rack. This thing is indestructible, dude. We've literally had people sitting on bikes while driving on this thing, and she's still holding up. Yep, that's the machine. What the angle you got going there, bub? Damn.
So the hood's nice and wrapped. Couldn't get the steering wheel on.
Not yet.
We got your vacuum leak somewhat fixed, right?
It's better.
It's better.
Yeah, it's better. That's all I can say. I was
Well-
gonna go for a ride in a minute and just test it out.
Well, the GoPro has 6%, so we're probably gonna end the video off here. We pretty much got
Decent.
like everything we wanted to try to get done. Don't click off just yet because we'll put a driving clip in before the video ends. We're just gonna let y'all watch a video of us doing a bunch of boring shit and then not have some ripping.
Have they even seen this car yet? On the channel?
No, they haven't even seen the car on the channel.
This is the car from the intro.
Damn, bro. This thing chops harder than most fucking big block V8s.
They used to have a big block in it. 2004 BMW 330 Ci. It now has big 264, 248 cams. It's got headers. No tune yet. It's on Apex wheels. It's freaking sick.
It's badass. This was my old car from like maybe 2 years ago, and then 4 years ago my brother had it. So this has been from my brother, then me, and then now him. It's got the 6-speed, ZHP 6-speed.
Yeah, it is a ZHP model. If anyone's asking, it comes with the trim, the suede seats and shit.
And it has red needles for ZHP. Get with it. All right, let's feel this fucking 500 horsepower ProCharge Beamer. Oh shit! Damn, bro!
I had to slow down there. I was already hitting 40 miles an hour speed limit here.
Are you sure, dude? Oh yeah. We went the speed limit. That was the speed limit.
Always. No, I mean, this is by no means a drag car, but it gets down for what it is.
Yeah, it's on Michelin 4S's PS 4S. And it handles. It's on rails for sure, but
it's a stock E46 body, like width-wise. But I got 275s on here, which is like the widest you can go for this chassis. So like, it handles pretty damn good, and that's really all I wanted for. If I want power, I would have bought a turbo.
Or a new car.
Or a new car, yeah. One day I'll buy a turbo for this thing.
Damn right, dude. But on that note, if y'all made it to this point in the video, thank you for watching.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and tell all your friends and family about it.
Yeah, comment, share, you know the deal. Have a good day. Peace!